Good morning, night shifters. Market up or down? The market was down today, just barely 9 pennies. Just a rounding error. Big picture, and I'll keep saying it until it's not true. We're going sideways. Okay, we're not going down. We're going sideways. Okay, so we check out the brokerage account. For those of you who caught the video this morning for hacking the PDT, the extra efforts did pay dividends. We got a sell here, 851. 2 shares. So we'll update the spreadsheet. Looks like 1702. Always good to get a sell through on a market down day. And like I always say, the market does not have to go up for you to make money. You just need a plan and need to follow it. It's got to be a good plan too. but for sure. The only other thing we had was EPC here for 22.79. Check that on the spreadsheet. Check. Everything is good there. So, no day trades. Let's just kind of take a walk around the yard here. No day trades left, so I can't put a sell order in for this. Okay. But we totally maximized everything we could here with WU. So happy to get those profits. But as we go towards the screener, we'll be looking for these positions, starting with the smallest. So EPC, NOG, or TAP. EPC, NOG is not on here, but we also have TAP. So we'll go through in order from smallest to largest, not by share price, $23, but by the total equity. You could have multiple tranches in your account. So we look through here, we've got dividends, debt under 4, PEs under 15, 23 flat. Now, if you look at it, we could sell this thing for 1% profit. Problem is, we don't have any day trades, but the stock still fits the system. So I'm going to follow my system. It's really quite that simple. Don't get in your head too much. If you overthink it, you won't take action. Paralysis by overanalysis. That's why, for me, I created a simple strategy where I don't think, I just execute. Okay, I'm going to take one share, just 1% of the total account, which would be $19, but I don't do partial shares on this account. There's nothing wrong with partial shares. Limit order good till cancel, extended hours. But not on this account because I want to be able to put a limit sell order in when I sell. We're not closing it. We're just going to enter another one. All right. Next, we had TAP. And this is where we'll start to use math as our market advantage. Uh-oh. Come on. If you want to also work on your patience, I suggest getting a cheap Walmart laptop. It tries my patience daily. So thank y'all for getting in here with me. Make sure you leave a like and subscribe and share this with your friends while we got a little dead time. Just trying to pull up a simple web page. It's amazing how fast I can do this on my phone. Really? Oh man. Jeez. All right. Dividends. Debt is low here. PEs are under 15. 48.81 on tap. And let's go through this together. And you can see that the price has been coming down from 48 from 50.59 when we initially got in. So our average here was 50.59. Then our average went down to 49.97. Now our average potentially would be 49.57. So as the stock continues to trade down, and it has, we're lowering the cost basis right along with it. So I hope that makes sense to you. I'm going to go ahead and cancel our sell order here. We do not have any day trades, which means what? It means we're making money. Oh. Been selling stock. Still got $263 here, and just one share, just like the last one. A lot of the same old repetition. Limit order always good to cancel with those extended hours. I'm gonna check my confirmation here. Check. Send it. All right, we got $214. So let's make sure we don't have any of these other ones. Let's see, we have Civi, NUS, and United Health. United Health, Civi, NUS, none of them are on here. So what's the next step of your trading plan? Is it written down? Do you have it next to you? Look at it, pause the video. What are you going to do? Next step for me is to look at my universe of stocks. Brown-Forman, as I say, is in my universe, but we will skip over that because for whatever reason, Ameritrade doesn't like that stock ticker symbol. We also have Kimberly-Clark here. Just doing it alphabetically. I don't have a tier list. I don't overcomplicate it. You can see here the PEs are too high for me. But as the stock continues to fall, these PEs will go down. So when it gets in range of the 15 I like, I'm going to pounce like a tiger. Next one, Ross. It's a very strange store, but they make money. Same thing here. See the PEs? They're just too high. Now, we went through the stocks we already have in the portfolio, went through the universe. The next step is I'm just going to start at the top and go through the list. Little Allison, they've got a nice plant here in Indianapolis. Go Hoosiers. Pacers tonight, come on. But we've got dividend. Debt is very high, but it's under 4, which is the limits. PEs are under 15. 92.22, Allison. Also be aware we have a market holiday tomorrow, and I'm not going to go too off of a rant here, but markets keep poor people poor. Our holidays do for sure. So it doesn't matter which holiday or what the reason for it is. When they shut down the markets, there's some funky stuff going on. So if you look, futures will be open. Limit, good till cancel, extended hours. So most average retail traders do not trade futures. Because they don't have enough money. That's the sole reason. So, right, y'all that always get happy on a holiday. We'll have 4th of July too coming up. You know, independence is a worthy cause, you know, in both holidays for tomorrow and for 4th of July. But my frustration comes with the fact that they closed the world down in the stock market. PEs are too high. You can see right here, over 15. So that's the end of my rant. But I just wish they'd stay out of my pocket. As you can see, with consistency, we can farm money out of this market. Dividend EST, you can see this is blank. I'm not interested. You don't pay rent. You cannot stay here. And we have traded this one many times. It doesn't mean that it's a bad stock either, by the way. But what it does mean is that the dividend is unsure. PEs are too high here. Wow. So that will show you that we're not in a deep correction. It's a sideways move. And here's another interesting one we can look at here. We have Western Union. We bought and sold it. Let's take a look. Dividends high. Debt is really high, but it's under 4, and the PEs are under 15. So actually, I'm going to take it again at 844. And we sold it at 851. So just let that sink in. We bought it at 843, and we sold it for profits. And then we're 1 penny above where we got in yesterday. Again, we're going to take 2 shares this time because 1% of our total account would be $19. So if you take 19 divided by 844, that will tell you how many shares you can get. And I never go over. I don't round up. I'm not greedy. Greedy pigs get slaughtered in the stock market. Be very, very careful with being greedy. But I'm okay to get right back in. And so when people first start, they think, good till cancels, extended hours, always a limit order. They think, well, 1% profits. What the heck is that all about? Like, let's go for 5 or 10 or whatever. What they don't understand is ATR and how the markets actually breathe and move. And when you get a chart, I got to be careful clicking around. So I don't have much of it. We got a little advert here. But if you get a chart that looks like this, that's basically going straight down. And you can pull profits from that. That is magic. That gives you an ability to make money in any market condition. So that's how I've designed my trading plan. Hopefully it helps you develop yours. But again, remember, I'm not a licensed financial advisor. I'm not licensed to do anything besides go buy more lottery tickets on this moped. And you got to make your own decisions. But I'm an average dude working in a factory. I obviously pull money out of the markets, including today, by hacking the PDT. On the market down day, I pulled cash out. It's in my pocket. And I think it's helpful to at least show people that normal average people can beat the markets. They can pull money out. They can increase their income slowly over time through investing accounts. And the stock market is a game you can beat. So I hope the best for you. Let me know down below how you're doing. Enjoy your holiday because you don't have a choice tomorrow. And I guess we'll catch you in a few days. Just a little update too. We'll be making a trip to Las Vegas. Let me know. So I'm not sure how the videos will go or if I'll even bring the computer. It may just be short style on a cell phone. There's not a whole lot of value here. So get your trading plan, get it written down, and get some practice in. Watch the older videos. You can go through history in the stock market. Literally all you have to do is go to the left and you can learn tons because these patterns repeat. So That's all we have for today. Thank you for watching. Hope you're doing well out there. Catch you in the next one.